Leisure and sport. What would you like to do in your local community? Do you like sports and leisure activities? Sport and leisure is not only good for your health, it can also bring a community together. Local town councils can play a key role. By encouraging people of all ages to do sports, communities can grow. But what can local town councils do to help? They can create and develop sporting facilities, sports clubs, and sports competitions. They can give anyone the opportunity to help by volunteering their time. They can use sports centres to create more job opportunities and reduce unemployment. They can use sport to give children and young people the chance to improve their skills and shape their character. They can use sport to reduce crime. Local authorities can definitely make a difference to people's lives and the places they live. Having a local leisure centre or community centre can bring people together. Some areas even have a wildlife reserve or a museum. What facilities do you have in your community? What other facilities would you like to have near you?